What happens when metals react with water? We have taken samples of sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium and gold. Put the small piece of samples in beaker half filled with water. We can see that the sodium reacts vigorously with water. The reaction is so violent and exothermic that the evolved hydrogen immediately catches fire. The reaction of calcium with water is less violent. The heat evolved is not sufficient for the hydrogen to catch fire. Magnesium does not react with cold water. It reacts with hot water to form magnesium hydroxide and hydrogen. It also starts floating due to the bubbles of hydrogen gas sticking to its surface. Aluminium did not react either with cold or hot water, but it reacts with steam to form metal oxide and hydrogen. Gold does not react at all with water or steam. Thus, we can conclude from the observations that different metals show different reactivity towards water. Metals react with water and produce a metal oxide and hydrogen gas, and some don't react at all, like gold.